and Lightning McQueen wins again for his 100th win in the Piston Cup. Hello, folks. I'm Shannon Spokes. That rhymed. And I'm here with today's winner and the Piston Cup record setter, Lightning McQueen. How's it going? So, Lightning, tell us, how does it feel to be the record holder for the most wins in Piston Cup history? Well, Shannon, it feels great. Breaking a record of, my mentor, Doc, which feels great. Sorry to interrupt this interview, folks, but Lightning, hey, Daryl, what's up? Daryl, seriously? Hey, I'm your boss. Be quiet. Okay, sorry. Lightning, so, you know how this is your 100th win? Yeah? Come with me. I have something to show you. Okay. Wait, no. We need it for an interview. So, Daryl, where are you taking me? Nowhere. We just teamed up with your buddy Ramon. Hey, amigo, Ramon! Congrats on your 100th win, amigo. Oh, thanks, Ramon. And to celebrate that, we're giving you a special paint job. Really? That's awesome. Yeah, amigo, let's go. Alright, see you back here in an hour. 1 hour later. Daryl? Oh, hey, Shannon. Where's Lightning? I was supposed to interview him an hour ago. Yeah, sorry about that, Shannon. But he should be coming up now. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the new Lightning McQueen. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Woo! You like that? Yeah, ka-chow. Lightning, that's amazing. You didn't have to finish my sentence. And Lightning, how does it feel to have your 100th win and be the new record holder of the Piston Cup with a new fabulous golden paint job? It feels great, Shannon. Break my old mentor's record. And, just happy I can do it for him. Alright, thanks, Lightning. Well, seriously, you've been bugging me all this time. Just ask him one question. Hey, let me do my job, and you do yours. Whatever. Hee. Thanks, Ramon. No problem, amigo. You deserved it. Congrats on your 100th win. Thanks. Let's go home. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Crazy Cars here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a review on a factory custom Cars 1 Golden Lightning McQueen. And I am not going to be doing an unboxing because obviously he's not in a box, so that is unfortunate. But I did get surprised with him. I'm not sure why, but I think my mom just, I love my mom, so she did buy me this, which I'm super thankful for, so thank you, Mom. I really appreciate it. I've really been wanting, a golden factory custom, like this McQueen, or, just any factory custom, like a Chick Hicks or something that has, blue, or, red, which would be awesome. And, funny story, this is actually my second ever factory custom, but it's my first really cool factory custom, how it's all this and gold and stuff. Because my first one is actually a Lizzie here. It literally just looks like a normal Lizzie, no custom paint job or anything. Just the eyes are a little bit weird, so it is a factory custom. But this one's gold and he has a whole new paint job. So this one is really my first real cool factory custom. And yeah, I don't know if you could tell, but this is a Toronto Maple Leafs jersey. The time I'm filming this, it is lunchtime of my online school right now, so that's why I'm filming this. And it's Game 7 tonight. So, Leafs versus Montreal Canadiens. Let's see who will win. Go Leafs, go, baby. Alright, so McQueen did come in this kind of bag. It's like bubble wrap, which I do like. Can't really pop it. But we're just gonna roll McQueen right out here. And he looks phenomenal. So shiny, so everything. Don't want to do a face reveal, so gotta make sure that I don't point him so much towards me. Well, we're just gonna get this plastic bag and put it over here. And yeah, let's get straight on into the review. Okay, so starting off the review here, I'm going to do a roll test. It rolls actually really well. Very nice and smooth, which I do love. And funny story, actually, I was going to use this car if I knew I was getting him earlier as like Mies. Like this would be Crazy Cars Canada. Like how Piston Cup Productions used it. But he already used the Golden Cars 3 McQueen, so it would be kind of like copying him. But I do have my diecast, which I do love. So I don't really need this guy. But he's a fantastic diecast, which I'm super happy about. And for Amazon, I did get him for around $16, I believe. That's before shipping and handling, maybe. But Amazon.ca, I know that for sure. But yeah, pulling out McQueen here, first thing you notice, beautiful gold color. Like you pull him up compared to this McQueen, and this one is so shiny. It's like a metallic gold, and I love it. But yeah, go and put in this McQueen back. Pulling him up close to the camera. Here are his eyes. So for his eyes, they're big blue eyes. His eyebrows, his eyes are kind of lifted. Like his eyelids, I guess you can say, are lifted. That's okay though. And then here on the front there it says the Rusty's medicated bumper ointment rear end formula. The R and E are a little bit faded. I think it's supposed to be like that. I know the McQueen over there isn't, but this is like a factory custom, so maybe it is. But yeah, it does look cool either way, so I'm not that worried. There you can see the two lucky lightning bolts on each side. Right there. His smile, he does not actually have teeth. They're actually golden. So yeah. He didn't. Oh, that's unfortunate, but there's only so much you can do. But I mean, they do work for Mattel as a factory custom, so like, it's fine. They should be able to do it. Here you can see the 95 on the headlights. Two headlights up there on the front. Turn McQueen to the side here. What I do love is how they kept like the decals the same, which I do love. Tires still got the red rims, which I love. There you can see some secondary sponsors: Nitroid, the Piston Cup, Revolting, Octane Gain, Mood Springs, Vitaline, No Stall, Gaskets, Easy Idle, and Gasprin. Oh, Little Turkey Pistons, RPM, Retread, Leakless, and Clutch Aid there at the bottom. There's the 95 fading from the top yellow to an orange. Same thing going on here with the lightning bolt. So it's a lightning bolt from the front of the side back towards the back tire. It fades from yellow to like a reddy orange by the gas cap, which I do like. Tires do look very thick. Like if I pull this McQueen, his tires aren't that thick. Oh well, it's okay. I mean, once again, just very little details that don't really matter that much. There you can see Rusty's on the side there, on the back. The window bars here on the back are still red, which is a nice touch. There you can see the 95 there above the wind flaps, fading from yellow to orange. On the back here you can see Rusty's in yellow with 95 on the back right tail light. And there you can see the two tail lights. Nothing on the bottom here that says medicated bumper ointment. Turn McQueen over to his side here again. Exact same thing as the other side. He is a little bit faded on the Rusty's there, but once again, not that big of a deal. Tires looking very nice. Red. There you can see the secondary sponsors once again. There you can see two windows on each side. And then here on the front end of the spoiler, you can see Rusty's once again, which is great. This McQueen is a fabulous diecast, so I'm really happy I got him. And yeah, funny story, they actually did release in the 2021 main line a Golden Cars 3 Rust-eze McQueen. So picture this, buckled. That would be fabulous. That would be actually really cool. But yeah, here we go. Bringing up the normal Cars 1 McQueen with other McQueen with the Golden McQueen. There you can see they both have the exact same shape, which is very nice. The decals. I know there's a chip here. Very unfortunate. But there you can see the eyes. The mouth. The Thailand McQueen has like a real mouth and not just gold on the inside. And this Golden McQueen is made in China, which is cool. So it's kind of old if it was made in China. There you can see the sides looking very nice. Just covered the camera, my bad. Yeah, there you can see medicated bumper ointment. I was like, it looks a little bland on the back here because it doesn't say anything. But from the back, it literally looks like I have the new Golden McQueen, which is cool. Turning him over to this side now. Very nice. And now we can show off the roofs. The bases. This base is gray, this base is black. And you can see the tires. The Golden McQueens are a little bit thicker, I believe, like the back tires. But it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, this is gonna be pretty much wrapping up my review on the Golden McQueen. Don't click off the video yet, because it's not done yet. I do have a little bit more of an announcement to make. I do have a lot more cars, and I am actually going off of a schedule now. Me and Jay-Z Cars, he's helping manage my channel, so now we actually have a schedule so we can create better content for you guys. And so it's not just going to be random out of the blue uploads. It's actually going to be on a schedule. It's not going to be like every Tuesday and Wednesdays, because then like that's only 2 videos a week or something. But we are going to try to aim for 5 videos a month. But please forgive us, we may be doing 6 in the month of June. Sounds like a lot, but then July we may be only doing 4, for example, because me and Jay-Z Cars are actually going to have a week hiatus from YouTube and have a little break, you know, have a sleepover, may still film a podcast and maybe a series episode, but that's pretty much it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for the announcement right now. But if you guys do want to go get this McQueen, I will leave a link in the description below, which will be great. But yeah, I hope you guys all do have a fantastic day. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with any friends that you think will enjoy this kind of content. But yeah, I hope you guys all do have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace.